Okay, today's Saturday, July 11th, 2015. We're looking at the East Pacific Rainbow Infrared Loop, and there's a couple of disturbances that have been identified by the National Hurricane Center. There's one here and one here, and we have a low pressure that's been slowly spinning north of Hawaii, which is being worked on. Take a look at that in the water vapor mode right here. This has been being attacked and worked on for about the last 2-3 days right here. Okay, and there's some thunderstorms down here, but mainly let's focus over here. This tropical disturbance is now being worked on for the last 2 days. They've been hitting that with either a HAARP downburst or some sort of radar microwave type pinpoint attack to heat the atmosphere over that counterclockwise spiral. All right, now let's go take another look at the this is a closer shot of the East Pacific right south of Baja, California, and we can see what's happening here. This area here is still being attacked. We can see a pressure wave actually moving out here, right there. You can see that right there. So this has been they're attending to this and have been for about 2 days. Let's go take another view of this. The center of that is not very well defined, and it wouldn't be because it's being attacked the last 2 days. Okay, so that shows the rain intensity near that tropical depression. We have the visible light mode, which doesn't show us a whole lot today. Okay, now let's look at the National Hurricane Center information. Yesterday and the day before, this disturbance was marked as 90% chance of cyclone formation, and today it's marked as 80% chance of cyclone formation in 2 days. This one over here has been upgraded from a depression, or rather a disturbance, to a tropical depression, and but I don't think anything's going to happen with this system. It will probably fizzle out because of the downburst energy on top of it. They're attacking it, and it was a very large system, and actually it still is. You can see the diameter of that core relative to the surrounding land masses, and so it would have been a very large hurricane. You can take a look at this also on the take a look at it again in the infrared mode. So it is a large system, and they got on this about 2 days ago. They were hitting this with a lot of downburst energy, heating that atmosphere right over this area here. And of course you can see that one shock wave. This is just the latest of many. So we'll go ahead and keep an eye on this, and we'll just keep an eye on it, and it'll probably go down in the record books as just another storm that they've destroyed. In the case of a dangerous hurricane, this kind of technology is valuable. There's no question about that. But when we look at the greater picture, and the fact that California has barely had, the foothills have had a little over 10 inches of rain over the last 4 years, we don't understand why the people running these transmitters would continue to allow a drought of this magnitude to continue. Now, we've heard recently on the news, as a matter of fact, 2 nights ago, on the Los Angeles weather, Channel 4, Channel 9, KCAL 9, KNBC, KABC, have all mentioned a strong El Nino forecast for this next winter. Now that's going to be very interesting, because we're going to be paying attention to these transmitters and what they're doing all around the Pacific, and we will be able to tell immediately if these transmitters have been turned off, or if they're just re-steering the weather into the area. We can determine all that just by watching the flows, like we've been showing here. So we'll be able to take a look at this in the future and determine what's going on, because the water vapor loop usually tells the whole picture. Okay, so that's it for now. We'll do another one tomorrow probably, or maybe later tonight. If something develops on these two weather systems out here, either this one or this one, we'll make another video. That one there looks like it's just sort of not doing a whole lot. It was actually downgraded, and so we'll go ahead and keep an eye on that. All right, that's it.